Mori, Mama Katerina.
Mama Katerina.
Okay, who's Mama Katerina?
It's mother-in-law.
Your mother.
Mother.
Yes. How long you're doing
It's
this?
40 years.
It's
This
40
year exactly
years.
40 years closed.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So this is one of the famous
Yes.
mezes.
Meze to
in-
uso. Uso meze.
Okay. What?
All the Greek people like
this.
Gavros Marinatos.
Gavros Marinatos.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what do we do now?
Yes.
How
Take
we
to
do?
the water. It's fresh water to plomari. Take to the salted from Polechnitos.
Okay. It becomes the sea.
Yes.
We make sea outside.
No, it's water and salted this one.
It becomes like the seawater.
Yes. Take to the Gavros Marinatos
Okay.
inside to this one.
How much do you put this? It's up to you.
It's okay.
Is it?
Stay inside 3 days.
In fridge.
Yes, it's fridge because now it's summer. It's no good outside.
But in winter, if you do this, you put
in
it outside.
winter, not problem. Outside.
outside.
Yes. Stay here now.
Okay, you close the
Yes,
top and
close
you
that.
let it
Stay
outside.
2-3 days.
Okay, okay. After 3 days, it's ready.
It's okay because more salted.
Okay.
Stay more days.
How much
salted.
water? How much salt? It's up to you.
It's, take 1 kilo Gavros. The half boxes to the salted. And the water see to the
Up to the top.
ice. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
exactly.
Okay. Then let us see how it becomes after 3 days.
After 3
Okay.
days, fix it to the filetto.
You can eat 1 kilo.
Stay this one to the freezer. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
No problem.
Okay.
Take little to the plate. Yes. Take it to the hand now. Everything fix it to the hand.
Then?
Piperia florinis, pepper to the florinis. Later. Little olives. Fix it the best meze to uso. To plomari uso.
Plomari uso. Because uso is famous here.
Yes,
in
of course.
Plomari.
Yes, of course.
So do you put any kind of oil in?
It's
No,
not
what?
have this one
This is
inside.
enough.
Take to the spoon.
This is enough.
Yes, it's enough.
Okay, we can
Take,
taste it.
take little spoon juice, oil and vinegar. Fix it one good.
And we eat it
meze.
like-
Yes, of course. Καλή όρεξη. Φέρτσι καμιά χαρτοπιτσέτα. Άντε, γεια μας.
Nadiyama.
Ούλτρο.
Uzo, no, uzo. Why uzo?